A view is a set of display or print settings that we can name and save and then later access when we need to. By using the Excel Custom Views feature, we can create several different views of a worksheet without having to create totally separate sheets. So, if we would like to sometimes hide columns in a worksheet, we can create two views, one that displays all of the columns and another with some of the columns hidden. We can set the worksheet display first and then name the views. And then we can simply open the view that we need when we need it. With the Toronto sheet active, we're going to click the View tab and then click the Custom Views button. Now we can go ahead and click Add. And in the name box, we want to type Year Sales and then click OK. Now let's drag across the column headings to select columns E through M. Right-click the selected area and then click Hide on the shortcut menu. Go ahead and click cell A1 and click the Custom Views button in the Workbook Views group. We want to click Add in the name box. Be sure to type first quarter and then click OK. Now we can click the Custom Views button in the Workbook Views group, click Year Sales in the Views list, and then click Done or Show. And notice you get to see different views based on what you select from that Custom Views dialog box. So creating views are really simple.